Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on the Epic Games Store. First, you'll need to download and install the Epic Games launcher from their official website. Once installed, either create a new Epic Games account or log in if you already have one. It's important to quickly check your computer's specifications to ensure it meets the game's minimum requirements for a smooth experience. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for the next steps. Now that the launcher is set up, open it and head over to the store section. You can easily find Fortnite by using the search bar at the top right. Once you locate the game, click on it to go to its product page. From there, simply click the Get or Install button to start downloading Fortnite to your computer. The download size is significant, so ensure you have enough disk space. Once Fortnite has finished downloading and installing, navigate to your library within the Epic Games launcher. You'll see the Fortnite icon there. Simply click it to launch the game. The first time you play, you might need to complete some initial setup steps, like agreeing to terms or creating your in-game profile. After that, you're all set to jump into the action and enjoy playing Fortnite. To enhance your Fortnite experience, take some time to adjust the in-game settings. Experiment with graphics and control options to find what works best for your computer and playstyle. Don't forget to explore the various game modes available and consider practicing in creative mode to hone your skills. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.